guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Welcome to a sabotaged look video. So this is the look I came up with today. I swear I am not the happiest. I just feel this is not my best look. I could have done better. It just wasn't my day today. It just wasn't. Okay, nevertheless, I think let's just get into the video if you want to see how I did this look. Because listen, this wasn't my best look, but this is still a good look. Okay, I'm not like the happiest with it, but this still is like a good look to go. So yeah, let's get into the video right now. Let's go. So base makeup has already been done. I have already done that because you know what, the light is a little off today. And I swear this is not because there is something wrong with the light. This is basically, you know, I don't know if this is true, but this is literally the color of this t-shirt that is making a light look this yellowy sort of. Because you know, when I was making the reel, when I was wearing this green color t-shirt, the light was perfect, and the minute I changed into this color, it just went yellow. And I believe this is probably because of the color of my clothes. It's nothing wrong with the light, so you know what, I can't actually do anything with this. Okay, so let's just get into the video. Okay, the base makeup has been done and we are moving into the grand palette. This is the baby right here. Just look at that holographic box. This is such a pretty box. You know, if this is not pretty, I don't know what is. And here is the thing that we all know and love. Wow, this is literally one of the hugest palette ever. Literally the hugest palette ever. 42 colors. It's really big, and it is very affordable as well. You know, if we do not include the shipping and import export charges and whatever, this is one of the cheapest palette with this color scheme. 42 colors in that scheme. This is literally one of the cheapest palettes. And yep, so this is the Beauty Bay EYN everything you need bright matte palette. This is the only palette that has this sort of color scheme, and by this sort of color scheme I mean this colorful one. Okay, and it has this foldable stuff, which is great because otherwise I won't be able to put it in the camera. Now what I'm supposed to do today, what I have really in my mind is that I want to play with most of the colors I can. This particular first row I have used it. You can see this white is a little weary because I've used it. I have used this black. What look did I do? I did like, I believe that Coco Skull. Okay, if you haven't seen that, I'll put that in the description box to see that. So this is the row I have actually used. I mean only two colors, but since it has very neutral colors, I mean I have not got this palette for these nude colors. Okay, so I'm going to use this row. Right, out of this row I have actually used this color as well as this color, a little bit of this as well I believe, and I have used this lime color and this little bit of green. So I have actually used like 4 to 5 colors plus these two. I think 7-8 colors I've already used, but I still want to use like maximum colors that I can. And by maximum colors I know I can't use more than 6 colors on my eye, one eye. So you know what, let's just see how far can we go with this palette. In the fluffier brush, I am actually going to color. This color is blue, BLEU. So this is that color. Enjoy the process. Okay, that was one. Ooh, you see the color. So this is basically, how should I call this color? This is more like a periwinkle color, more like a blue that has a little bit of violet to it. This is that sort of color, and I feel it is very beautiful. Also you guys, I'm just stamping on the color because I just want a good punch of this particular color before blending anything. So let's just stamp that. Also you guys, you know, I haven't done like a colorful look, very colorful look for a long time. The last time I did a very colorful look was, I guess, the bird series that I did. After that I have been more into, oh no, I actually did that neon sort of look for Instagram. Since then I haven't done like a very colorful look, which is strange because I literally love myself a good colorful eye with 8 different colors. That is literally how my life is. But it is strange that I didn't do that. So let us just blend this out with I think let's just take this pink, Cosmopolitan, which is like a baby pink. So this is not, sorry, not a baby pink, actually this is like a Barbie pink color. So we can like a Barbie pink as well. So let's just blend this color with this. Purples blended with pinks look so pretty in a colorful eye. And you know what, you know that a palette is nice when 2 colors that are actually being blended together, they form a third color, which means it's a really pretty palette and really blendable one. And my, you know, this is a bulky palette. You know what, my hand has actually slept. You guys, I can't kid you, holding this whole in your hand, whole palette in your hand is actually quite bulky. My hand is hurting, and I have not even done like 2 colors. You would literally need something to put this palette on if you want to do like a good colorful look out of this palette. So when you are blending two entirely different colors together, do take time with blending because we want to have like a good like a ombre effect in between. The problem with me is I'm extremely short-sighted and I cannot see what I'm doing unless I have a mirror literally right here in my eye. I have kept my mirror literally right in front of me over here into 2x lens so that I have a better vision of what I'm looking at. So this is where we are. I'll just dip into that old periwinkle blue color, and I'm just going to just, you know, stamp it a little bit to make it a little darker. I would like to go with yellow, so I would like to go with a little bit of like red orange sort of thing. You know what, I don't know what color. Choose kar de koi color ek. Maybe pink or purple में से रहने दो. Okay, so my sister has told me to go with hot stuff. So let's take hot stuff. Maybe she was talking about me. अपने बारे में बोलना दूसरों के लिए भी बोल दिया करो. So let us just take it in the crease and बोल.
मैं कहती थी कि मैंने चूज करा है.
We are going for something different today because this is literally not the color scheme I usually would go for, right? This is like a lot of color. We are literally stacking a periwinkle or pink, red. This is not actually red. This is more like, what should I call this color? This is sort of like a. Actually, this color reminds
hot
me.
pink type of.
This is not hot pink. This is like a watermelon type का color है ना? I'm taking my time in blending this color because I have to literally blend it into the periwinkle, and I just want it to look good and not look like a hot mess, hot stuff. And also bringing it out along with the periwinkle shade.
We have.
I'm just taking it over this particular portion. We are going to go in with a little orange, a little yellow. So yeah. One thing about this particular palette is that, you know, it's like easy to blend. So you are not having a hard time to work with two colors. I think it could have been worse if it would have been some other palette, but I think this is just fine and it's working fine. And so we are going in with this heat wave color, and you know, we're just going to take another third of the lid and put in this particular color, just a little bit, to provide a transition between the red and the yellow. And the yellow color that I'm going to use is going to be this Hello Sunshine, right? So
Hello.
Hello. And ooh, this is a pretty yellow. This is not like a yellow. This is more like a daisy sort of yellow color, not like a bright yellow. I mean, how should I explain this? There is this yellow which is very on the orangish side. This is not orange, I would say. I mean, I don't know. I really don't know what I mean. Let's just take a little bit of time and blend all these colors together. At this point, it is extremely important that we do this. Yeah, good. Why am I even wearing this shirt? I have no idea why I decided to wear this when I was going for something this. Bad decisions is what my life is made up of. Okay, let's just do what I should do. I should do with the winged eyeliner, then we will move into the lower lash line. Do the winged eyeliner, right? And I'll be right back. Eyeliner has been applied. Now I love an eyeliner only till when it applies without giving me much tension, and at this point this literally sucked. Okay, so whatever. Let's just stop ranting and get into some more color. So we are actually done with red, orange, yellow, purple and pinks. So the color that is left is actually greens. So I think we should go with a good green color. I think we'll go with this Labyrinth, right? Labyrinth or Oasis. I think I'll go with Oasis. Oasis looks literally pretty, and we can use Labyrinth, you know, just to buff it out. So I'm just going to put this. Ooh, this is correct. You know, right now the camera isn't picking the color the way it is literally coming out on my eye. Okay, but this color, can you see? Of course you can. I'm just taking it under my wing, you know, to make it a little bit more cohesive, and taking Labyrinth, and I'm just going to buff it under this color. Oh my god. Oh, this looks like Wanda. What have I done? Why have I done this? Using a white pencil to literally open up my eye Why are you not working now? I think that is fine. Oh, it looks different, right? The eye looks really, really different. And at the end, just to give it a little bit more effect, I am just going to take... Should I go for Daydream or should I go for Paradise? I will go for Paradise and I will pop it in the inner corner. I thought this Paradise was a lighter color. It literally turned out so much darker. Why? Why does this look so sabotaged today? I have no idea, you guys. Let me finish this look, guys. Let me just come back with a finished look. I literally don't know if I'm going to put this video up. If this look didn't turn out proper at this point, this video is not going up. Okay, hi peeps. I tried to save this look. I think I succeeded a bit. I have put on some lipstick and I'm wearing the Soft Matte Lip Cream Rome, and of course with the lip liner, and I actually used this chestnut lip liner from Wet n Wild, and I think this has somewhat saved this look. And of course the lashes and everything has saved this look. Not my best look ever. Just trying to work with it. It's just fine, okay? It's just fine. And you know, let's be honest, there is nothing wrong with this palette. I think this palette is really nice and everything. I think it just was into my day. Okay, my day was sabotaged on its own, so that happened. Okay, so yeah, this was the look, you guys. I literally tried almost. How many colors did I try today? Okay, let us just count. Okay, I tried 1, I tried 2, then I tried 3, 4, 5. Then I tried 6, 7, and then I tried 8 and 9. 9 colors in one go I did try. So that is really nice, you know, 9 colors on my eye today. And what's popping, okay? So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.